Hey guys, welcome back, and today I'm unboxing, setting up, and doing a demo of the Spirit Halloween Bend Back Bonnie. She is $180, and that's the front of her box. There's the side, back of her box, and the other side. But now, let's get her open. Let's see what we got. Okay, so when you first open it, you can see the head, the hair. But I'm going to get everything out and show you. Here are all the parts laid out. You have the control box with the other leg pull and then this leg pull. The mechanism, the base, instructions, and this bag with these things in them. And then the head and the body. And that's all the parts. And now let's get to the setup. So overall, Bend Back Bonnie is a really good animatronic for $180. That's a pretty good price tag for what you're getting. Her audio is very creepy. I like her animation. Her clothing and design is just okay. Overall, I would rate this animatronic a 9 out of 10. If you guys did enjoy this video, make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on all notifications. I'll see you guys in the next video. Wink.